everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my honest review on Ohm Beads February 2020 release. Now, in this collection, I did do a first impression / unboxing, so if you do want to watch that video first, I'll link it somewhere on the screen here. And that I kind of go over my first initial impressions, kind of what I'm loving and what I'm thinking. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a little bit more detail about these beads and which ones I ended up absolutely falling in love with, and maybe perhaps which ones that I'm like, I'm not actually sure how I'm going to style this. So I'm going to share my feedback with you guys and a little bit more information about the beads. So if you're ready, make sure to grab a cup of tea. I'm having Ruby Oolong from DAVIDsTEA. This is a delicious oolong and one that they actually discontinued, retired for a short time. And I think, well, I was definitely one of the people that complained, like, you can't retire this. This oolong tea is just so delicious. I'm having it black, but it's also really good. It's a latte. And I have it in my new mug. This is my new obsession that proves Instagram ads work, because I kept seeing these being advertised on Instagram and I just wasn't sure about the quality. So I just decided, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and order 3. I ordered one for my husband, a Christmas scene with my husband and I and Ella. And then this one, if you can see, it has myself and Ella doing what we love most, being out in nature, sitting together. And then let me try to turn it without spilling tea on me. On the back it says best friends with a little paw. Oh my gosh, isn't that the cutest? So if you were like me and you were debating about getting one of these, because you can customize, it has your names on the bottom and stuff. I got mine from Gosby or something. I'll link it down below. How's that? But there's so many other companies I think that do it, but I was really happy with the quality and stuff. And I love having like a little mug that's with me and Ella. My heart, she's right here. If you see a little white fluff ball, it's right here. That's Ella. Anyway, you guys, without further ado, let's get started. All right, you guys. So what I thought I would do is something a little different for today's video. It's just to show you my bracelet stack, which features the 3 new beads from February Ohm Beads release. So I have Kiss, Love Snap, and Little Red Riding Hood on here, and I put them on the Lucky Red Ohm bracelet. I have featured this bracelet before in quite a few videos, fully featuring it in an October video, which I think it's so cool because it just, the color works so well with autumn vibes. But then at Christmas time, I mean, that bright, lovely pop of red, perfect at Christmas, and then also Valentine's Day. So this is kind of like an Valentine's-y inspired look that I'm going for. But so to start off with, I have a Love Snap, so it's hiding right over here, and I paired it beside opposite of Peace Alien. This is a January release, and the reason why I paired these two together is because of the little finger. So Love Snap is snapping, right? But then I have little Peace Alien, and he's doing his little peace symbol, so I thought those kind of echoed each other well. I'm not gonna lie, I have a harder time styling Love Snap. I think also just because this wouldn't be a bead I would typically pick out for myself. I love it though, like I love the amount of detail on it, the silver, it's very shiny, and just, they really captured the fingers so well. Like that's crazy and insane. And I don't know if you guys ever like drew in like high school or art. I know when I was in design school, you had to draw a lot. Hands are so hard, so I can only imagine what it's like to like sculpt a hand in a bead. Do you know what I mean? So this just looks insane. It's so well done. So just that alone I think is amazing. So Love Snap is cool. It gets the name because of the 2 fingers making the little heart shape, and I just think that is so cute. So that's how I chosen to style with it. I think if I play around with it a little bit more, I might get some more ideas with styling it, but that's kind of what I've come up for now. I would love to know how you guys might style this. Please comment down below if you have any ideas or suggestions for me. Right, so moving along, we have, oh my goodness, you guys, you probably already know, this is like my most favorite bead thus far from this year. I love this. This is a Little Red Riding Hood. She looks so cool. And what I didn't realize during my preview, like unboxing and all of that, was this is like, it has such an awesome woman empowerment vibe to it. So basically, Little Red Riding Hood didn't need the huntsman or the woodsman, anyone to come save her and her grandma. She actually got that wolf and she defended herself, and now she wears him as a cape, which is why when I was talking in my last video, he has little X's on his eyes. He must be dead. Of course he's dead because he's her cape. So I just thought that was just such a cool idea. Like, I love this bead even more with hearing the inspiration behind it. I just think that's so crazy cool. And again, this bead is so detailed. If you want to see some more close-ups, I definitely suggest watching my my little like first impressions unboxing video, because I show a ton of close-ups of this bead on there. But anyway, I absolutely love this. I've paired it with this design, but I've also styled this on my Dirty Ohm twisted bangle. I've added this to my dark fairy tale Pandora bracelet. I've worn this on my O pendant. Like, there's so many ways I've been playing around and styling it, but I thought for today's video, I'd just show you all the beads together. So moving along on the bracelet, I'm gonna show you we have Ohm, thanks a lot. Give a heart with a little scissors. This is so cute. Thank you, Ohm. And then over here, this is my most second favorite bead. Let's just say if I love Little Red Riding Hood 100%, I love this 95%. I just think it is so cool. And the photos look amazing of it, but in person, it's just that much cooler. It has this very crimson red, the little lips going around it. And while it's similar to some of the stuff I've seen Pandora do, it's so much more edgy and different. And it just has this like really cool vibe to it. It's very romantic. And I love the mixtures of the crimson red, like I mentioned. You have the black kind of core, and as you turn it around, you'll see different details to it. It also has this kind of grayish yellow misty vibe to it, and it just kind of captures emotion so well. And that's what I love most about it. While it has those cute little lips, when you're looking at it, you just feel the emotion of love and of kissing someone, you know what I mean? So I just think this bead is so cool. And next to it, I paired with it Quiver, and she is a bead that I have wanted since I first started collecting Ohm beads. So I just decided to treat myself recently when I picked up the Ohm. I got the dirty twisted bangle, so I just had to get Quiver. She's so cool. She makes me think of me, and I put her next to Kiss because I love her so much. So I thought it was really cute. She's also a bead that I've been playing around in a bunch of different ways, and I think she echoes Little Red Riding Hood very, very well. So that's basically the beads and kind of my final thoughts on them. You will see me styling these a lot, I'm sure, on my Instagram, which is at fashionstoryteller, as well as here on YouTube. I would love to know what your favorite bead is. Are you planning to purchase anything from this release? I do actually, in fact, really want to get another Kiss glass bead. This is just the type of glass bead that I would want two of. It's just so cool. It has such cool vibes to it. And it's just that gorgeous pop of red, and I just feel like I need another one. I don't know, that's just my impression. That's basically what I would recommend to you if you are thinking of getting this. I think it is one you should get two of, just because it's just so cool. And I think it really will highlight and frame any other bead in the center really nicely. So I'm just trying to imagine another one of these on here. So happy release day. I'm gonna treat myself to this. So I'm really excited. Anyway, that's it for this review video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing some more kind of looks of how I styled the different beads from Ohm Beads February release. I would love to know your thoughts on this collection if you do plan on purchasing anything. And anyway, you guys, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. And I'm pretty sure Ella wants to play, so I'm probably gonna go do that. But anyway, you guys, take care. See you in my next video. Bye for now.